We are on the trampoline. Woo! Woo! You guys are probably getting really dizzy by now. Oh, the trampoline is choking me. I mean
You're so dumb, I'm gonna throw an acorn at you.
Oh, well, you know what? That was retarded. I was like, well, I like foul. M-I-C-U! Okay, are you guys ready? We're gonna do the splits. We're gonna do toe touch. And ow! I stepped on an acorn.
That's why I'm freaking out.
Look, an acorn.
Smart.
Acorn! Ooh! The attack of the acorns. Goodbye, acorn. He looks freaked out.